He mourns, and we all mourn for each person.
Hello, I'm here to give you an example of the Mormon abuse that I've been talking about, the one that I said I experienced firsthand. The prophet talks about the mourning, and I did not hear it. I'm going to read to you this letter that was written by my former bishop priest, Richard Reese. And the harm I incurred here was a supposed computer glitch at my former Weber State University. This glitch threatened to remove me from the United States. The form letter reads, "Please counsel Victoria on issues related to fear and improper handling of her immigration status by other church members. I am available to visit with LDS Family Services on this issue." And I'll bring the letter closer for your inspection.